Okay, we're going to demonstrate how to get started developing on Hermes. So I've already downloaded the FreeRTOS source from the FreeRTOS webpage. Okay, so let's go take a look at that repository. Here's where I downloaded it in the downloads folder on my Windows virtual machine. So I'll just go through here real quick, navigate through to the demo folder for the SAM E70 Xplained demo board by Atmel. Here's the demo for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to first use tortoise git to clone our directory here. This is the directory that we're going to clone off of Bitbucket. And we're going to clone that right here into the demo folder. So just click OK, clone that. Okay, so what you can see is we've just gotten the Hermes source code from Bitbucket. Really, there's only 2 files here right now. So what I'll do is I'll just open this guy up in Atmel Studio. So when Atmel Studio 7 opens up, we'll have the FreeRTOS Blinky demo project for the SAM E70 board coming up here. And it has all these files in it for that Blinky demo. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add the 2 files for the Hermes source code files we just checked out from Git here. So there's the directory we created when we checked that out, and here's the 2 source files that come inside that directory. There'll probably be more of those as the project moves on. So we just added those here. So we have Hermes.c and Hermes.h. So once those are added, what we need to do is we need to go in, we need to navigate through this this kind of web of source code that comes with the project, and we need to find this file called startup SAM E70.c. And this file is the startup code for this project, and it's buried in all these directories. So I'll post a link to that on the project webpage or in the README or something. What we're looking for here is we're going to go to the bottom of this file, and we're looking for this function called reset handler. And this is the function that gets called when the board starts up, right? So this is the reset initialization vector. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify this, and we're going to add a pointer to the new vector table. I'm going to add that as an extern. We're just going to declare that here at the beginning. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to modify the project's vector table here. So instead of using the stock vector table, we're going to use the Hermes custom vector table. And the reason we're doing that is we want to intercept all the exception vectors before they get processed by the FreeRTOS. So we're going to set that up so the vector table will be overwritten by this instruction. We can even just take this out, and then we're going to call hv-init right below that, and we're going to pass in the address of the FreeRTOS exception table. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we'll just build the project. Alright, so once the project builds, then what we can do is we can program it onto our SAM E70 Xplained board. So I've plugged in the SAM E70 Xplained board over USB here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this button in the left side of the screen here that says Start Debugging and Break. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to erase the chip on the SAM E70 board, and then it's going to program it with the code that was generated when we just compiled project. But the trouble is there's actually a bug in the Atmel Studio software that doesn't allow this to work. So what's going to happen is it's going to erase the chip, it's going to program the code on there, and then it's going to wait for a reset, and then the waiting for the reset option function is going to actually time out. And when that happens, what we're going to do is we're going to actually just stop waiting for the reset. So we're going to click no here when it says the reset event timed out. So we're going to click no. We don't want to continue waiting for the reset. And then we're going to go up here to the left side, right next to that, right next to the Start Debugging and Break button. There's another button that says Attach to Target, and we're going to click that button. And that button's going to attach us to the target, and we'll start debugging from there. So now we can just go ahead and just step through the code normally. And if we just click the Continue button now, we should see the LED on the board begin to blink. And what's happening now is the FreeRTOS demo project is actually now running as a guest inside of the Hermes hypervisor.